Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are good and fine at home, enjoying your vacations. Welcome to Zoom online class. This is the summary of the lecture of today. So in today's class we have done the exercises of the unit number 1 that we have read in the previous class. The link is with you people, you can see it on YouTube. Okay. For this exercise, what you have to do is, if you want to write it on the book, you can write it with pencils, okay? You can write it with pencils, not pen, or if you want to write it on anything else, or paper, or a rough notebook, you can do it. Okay, so our first exercise is of page number 5, exercise A, answer the questions. Number one question is, who is the king of the birds? Yes, who is the king of the birds? The wren is the king of the birds. Okay, the wren is the king of the birds. Number 2 question is, name 3 birds that were at the meeting. Which meeting? The meeting that was held in the woods, in the jungle, among birds who wanted their king. ठीक है, जो मीटिंग हुई थी उसमें कौन कौन से birds थे? Although there were lots of birds there, but the main was eagle, crow and robin. Okay, next is question number 3. What bird was the biggest bird at the meeting? What bird was the biggest bird? The eagle was the biggest bird at the meeting. Yes, eagle was the biggest bird at the meeting. Number 4 is, what bird was the smallest bird at the meeting? The wren was the smallest bird at the meeting. You can see both these questions are comparison of each other. In this question, they wanted the answer of the biggest bird, and in this question, they wanted the answer of the smallest bird. So this is the comparison of eagle and wren. Okay, I hope it's clear to you boys now. Question number 5 is, where did the wren hide? Where did the wren hide? वो कहाँ छुपा था, या थी, or he or she? The wren hid in the eagle's feathers. The wren hid in the eagle's feathers. Okay, here you can see हमने question में जो verb use की है, that is hide. That is first form, that is simple present form. But हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ किया है? did we use for with the past tense. जिस भी sentence में आपको did नज़र आता है, that means ये past tense में पूछा गया question है, और did के साथ हम हमेशा simple present tense की verb लगाते हैं, ठीक है? बट जब हम उसका आंसर देते हैं, जब हम उसको आंसर करते हैं, तो उसमें हम did को हटाने के बाद जो सिंपल प्रेजेंट की टेंस थी उसको हम चेंज कर देते हैं सिंपल पास्ट में. सिंपल पास्ट यानी कि सेकेंड फॉर्म, सिंपल पास्ट यानी कि सेकेंड फॉर्म में, दैट इज हिड. द रैन हिड इन द ईगल्स feathers. Okay, number 6 question is, name 2 birds that you see in the park. You can write you have visited the parks. ठीक है, आप parks का visit करते रहते हैं. Now आपने क्या करना है, आपने you have to write 2 names of the birds. ठीक है, I have written woodpecker and cuckoo. You can write it. You can write whatever you have seen in the park. Woodpecker, for example, woodpecker and cuckoo. Woodpecker जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं हुदहुद, and cuckoo is known as bulbul. So exercise A, I hope it's clear to you boys. And now we are going to do exercise B, true and false. True and false. Number 1 is birds. Birds have feathers. Yes, it's true. I have used the colored pencils, but if you want to use a simple pencil, you can. ठीक है? I have used red pencil for the false and blue pencil for the true. Birds have feathers? Of course, yes. Birds do not make nests. Why? They do make nests. They do make nests, so it's false. ठीक है? Then birds like to eat bread. Yes, it's true. Then birds make good pets. No, they do not make good pets. So it's false. The next is wren. Wren is bigger than an eagle. False. It is smaller than the eagle. Wren is a clever bird. Of course, it is clever bird. इसी तरह तो उसने अपनी रेस अपना कंपटीशन विन किया है अपनी क्लेवरनेस की वजह से, ठीक है. The wren is the king of the birds. Of course, wren is the king of the birds. Next is hid in the wren hid in the eagle's feathers. Yes, that is also true. Okay, eagle. Eagle was the highest in the sky. True. Eagle has lots of feathers. That's also true. Eagle is the king of the birds. No, that is false. Eagle is not the king of the birds. Wren is the king of the birds. Okay, eagle fell out of the sky. Yes, of course. Eagle fell out of the sky when he got tired. He fell from the sky. Okay, exercise C. Exercise C is something that you have to do it on your own because it's drawing. Okay, draw a picture of wren and an eagle. In this blog, you have to make a picture of wren. You can go to Google, search for the wren, and you will have its picture. And then you have to make an eagle. Okay. Also, you can search it on Google. Okay, I hope these exercises are clear. Now we are going towards page number 6. Page number 6, grammar work. Okay, page number 6. On page number 6, we have a grammar work. Okay, today we are going to learn verbs in this exercise. You can say verbs. We have done it before. What is a verb? A verb is an action word or doing word. Okay. Verb क्या होते हैं? Action or doing words are known as verb. We use it in different tenses. There is a word used, tenses. What is tense? This is tense. If you can see it, tense. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus. From the Latin word tempus. Okay? Latin is a language. Always remember this, Latin is a language, okay? It's an old language. So the word tenses comes from the Latin word tempus, that means time. That means time. We have 3 kinds of times, present, past and future. Present, past and future. Present means happening or happens, that is continued, जो चल रहा है, जो present है हमारा, मौजूदा. Past, that has already happened, जो गुजर चुका है, and future, that is going to be happen, जो होने वाला है. ठीक है, so we have these 3 major times. Now, let's just come towards the verb again. We have done first, second, third, fourth, and fifth forms of verbs, but now we are going to learn its names. First, the first form of verb is known as simple present. That means we are going to use it in present tense. Then second form, simple past. That means whenever we are writing a verb in past tense, we have to use the second form, that is known as simple past. Third one is participle, past participle, that is also used in past tense but with some extensions. Okay, fourth one is present participle form. Present participle is known as ing form. We always put simple present with ing, so it becomes the present participle form. Fifth form is known as base forms. Okay, boys. Now we are going to do the exercise A. For exercise A, you have to do this. There are words given to you in present tense. Here you can see. There are words given to you in present tense. You have to change it into past tense and then you have to make it sentences like this. Like this, okay? Okay, first word is stick. No, it's exercise B, I guess. Sorry, we are going to do exercise A. Here is the exercise A. Okay, exercise A. Pick. Pick. Past tense is picked. The verb will change into with the ed and it will be changed into picked. He picked an apple from the tree, or he picked me up from my home. He picked my book from the table. Next is kick. Kicked. Kick. Kicked. He kicked the ball and made a goal. He kicked the ball and made a goal. Next is hole. Hole means ghurana. Hold. The wolves hold at night. Walk. Walked. I walked down the lane to my friend's house, or I walked into my house. I walked into my home. I walked through a park. Next is look. Looked. Della looked at herself in the mirror. Okay? Next is need. That will be changed into needed. I needed a sharp knife to cut the chicken. Next is jump. Jumped. The thief jumped off the window. The thief jumped off the window. Next is crawl. That will be changed into crawled. The tortoise. This word is tortoise. The tortoise crawled and won the race. And with this, the lecture is over. Inshallah, we'll meet you in the next class. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.